Hi, this is Shubham. In this video, we will learn one of the most awesome features available in Microsoft Excel, that is Excel tables. And there are a lot of advantages of Excel tables. So let us start. I have opened a file, Excel tables, which contain a database. So it is basically a sales database where you can see there are different columns available: order ID, order date, customer ID, customer name, city. So all those commonly available columns which our sales manager or a salesperson maintains or organization maintains, such as product name, payment type, category, again unit price, the quantity sold, how much revenue has been generated. So all these common columns are there. Now, if this is a normal sort of data, and what if we just select the entire data set, and if I go to the insert and when I click on a table, the shortcut key is Control T. So make sure that you check mark my table has headers, because as you know that the data set, the first row of the data set contains the headers, and press OK. So once you press OK, it will automatically turn by default a blue theme color. But more importantly, when you convert a normal range into a table format, you get an additional tab enabled on top right side, as you can see here, table design. So if you are using some earlier version, you will see a design tab, whereas in the latest version, it is called table design. Now you have certain features available in this here. For example, in future, if you want to resize, or if you add a column on the left side of the table, or by default right side columns already picked as a range of table. But when you insert something on the left side, it does not pick. So you can resize the table range from here, and you can redefine the range. The next thing is that if you want to convert back this table into a normal range, you have this feature available in the table design tab, which is convert to range. So it will again convert that to normal whenever you make a data set into a table format. Now it does not contain a relative or absolute reference, but now it has been turned into an end structured reference. So for example, if I press equal sign and if I go to any cell inside a table, you can see that it's not showing me X3. Instead, it shows me table name first and then the column name, which is the shipping fee. Now this is table 1 is a default name. Whenever you make table for the very first time in Microsoft Excel, you will see a default name, which is table 1. You can rename this table, go to the table design or design tab, and on the left side, you can see it is written table name, which is default. So for example, if I write sales database and press the enter key, now the next time when you call any column or cell from this table, now you can see that it is written sales database, which we have just renamed. Another best part of converting this table is that when you get the table design tab, you can add total rows. So just check mark this total row. What it will do is it will insert a row with of total at the end of a data set. And what you can do is you can get the quick aggregations of your columns where you have the amounts. So for example, if I want to have a revenue total, so I can just open this drop down menu and I can select sum. So quickly I will get sum instead of writing the sum function. If I want to calculate the average, I can just click on average and I will get the average. So this is a beautiful option of this table design. You can also change the color theme if you want. If you don't want any color scheme, you can go back to the none option available. You can have medium color schemes, you can have dark color schemes. Even when you click on a new table style, you can customize your own formatting of the table as well. So each and every element of the table you can customize. Go to format and select the color or a border. or a font type you want, so you can have your own customization regarding the table styles, right? Anything which is changed, you can click on refresh. Then you have all the formatting options. Well, option is styles available here. So this is the best part of the table. And for example, if let's suppose if I use the sum function to total revenue, so I will select the entire column of revenue here and bracket close. So I got 48 here. So now here you don't see something like a relative reference range, right? You see the table name first, then the column name. For example, if a new row has been added at the bottom, for example, let's see again the current total revenue is $438,636.16. And let's suppose if I add one more transactions below it, it will automatically become a part of this table range. And the best part is that if I add an amount, for example, a bigger amount to just cross check that our formula output has been updated or not, so you can see that it is updated automatically. So now you can compare it. If we don't make any data set into a table format and we have applied some, or we are extracting some numbers out of that with the relative or either absolute references, we need to again change those references or changes, revise the ranges. But in the table format, the advantage is that when your data gets append mean that your data gets increased with the passage of time. So for example, this particular entire data is of 2 months, and in the next months you get another data and you just paste it below it. Make sure there should be no gap. So when you paste just below next row, it will become a part of your table, and your all the numbers which you are using functions for that gets updated. So that's the beauty of making a normal data to a table. That our other cell references in terms of formulas gets updated automatically, right? So this is the feature of Excel tables, and you can explore after this video all other features. Thank you.